count Arabic number, sige.
Wahad.
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 Sige, next.
Saba.
What saba? Wahad. Kalate. Sige.
Wahad. Sade. Aba. Siti. Shaba. Stane. Shisha. Atia.
Oh, bravo. That's Arabic number 1 to 10. Sing lang ABCD, B. ABC.
ETCD.
Look at the camera. Again.
ETCD. Lefty. ETCD. Poopy. Aku.
C. V. Look at the camera.
Spicy.
Oh, very good. Bravo. Next, tell Mama story, B. Tell Mama story.
Bawa dito. Wita. Baba.
Barber. Zido and Baba went to the barber.
Baba.
And then haircut. You have haircut. Oh, show them your haircut. Nice haircut.
Baba. Then Baba haircut.
Baba also haircut. Zido and Baba had their haircut. And then
Zido and Baba
go to the mall. After the haircut, you went to the mall. And then what did you do there?
Bye. Dump truck.
You bought the dump truck.
Dito. Dump truck.
You bought dump truck. What else?
Bito.
Huh?
Bito the dump truck.
B2 drum truck. What B2 drum truck?
Bito the dump truck.
And then you video the dump truck. After buying, you went home, and then Zito and Mama video the dump truck. Unboxing. You don't want to open the dump truck in the mall. You have to go home, and then Zido and Mama will do unboxing together, right? Very good. Yeah, tell them your story.
Mama with a bark.
Park. Okay.
Zido slide.
Zido slide.
Zido go bark.
Oh, you go to the park, and then
Zido to the boat slide.
The slide. Okay. And then what else? What did you do at the park?
Slide and swing.
Slide and swing. What else?
Zido go a ball.
The ball. You brought your ball, and then what did you do to the ball?
Baba.
What you did?
Ball.
Kick the ball.
Kick a ball.
Kicking the ball. What else?
Then go. Baby slide.
Another slide. What are the colors of the slide?
Wow.
Yellow. The other one? Red. The other one?
Wow.
Yellow. Yes, yellow. Red. What else? Blue and purple. And then Zido and Baba went home. Finish. Bravo. Sige, tell another story. When we went to Singapore. Sige.
Baba, Zido go Singapore.
How about Mama? Mama also. Again. Again, look at the camera.
Mama with Singapore.
And then? And then what did you do? No, we rode airplane first. And then we went to the Universal
Sun.
Studios. And then Zido saw the red truck with carrying the popcorn. What else you saw there? You saw the police car there? How did you see the police car? You were sleeping. When we went there, you were sleeping. What else? Mama and Baba went to the restaurant eating. We were eating what? Burger, fries, and drinking cola. And Zido was sleeping.
Zido was sleeping.